The Millionaire Maker, the second greatest story ever told, may well be the turning point in your life, regardless of your age. The voice you will hear on this recording is that of John Earl Shoaf, one of the most creative and inspired men of our time. Born with a weak heart and of modest means, his formal schooling did not go beyond the 9th grade. During World War II, he was rejected by the military because of his heart condition. Yet he joined the American Field Services overseas, and as an ambulance driver and medical corpsman, was in constant combat duty for over 2 years. This caused irreparable damage to his heart, but it enkindled a determination to devote his remaining years to some service which would help man achieve greater fulfillment. Starting as a pants presser after the war, he became a millionaire in less than 4 years, and subsequently headed several large corporations with unprecedented success. He was intimately acquainted with the outstanding men of industry and government, but never wavered in his drive to awaken men and women of all ages to their true potential. He frequently toured the country, telling spellbound audiences that life never withholds anything from anyone. Love, health, supply, companionship, employment. All these exist in infinite abundance. We alone are the ones who prevent our own good from flowing simply because we are not aware of nature's abundance and the tremendous power dormant in each of us, power which unfortunately remains untapped because we don't know how to release and set in motion the activities which function these laws. He felt one of life's great tragedies was man's persistence in clinging so tenaciously to lack and limitation. The true mark of greatness is not just in what a man accomplishes himself, but in his ability to help others help themselves and realize that they too can become great. John Earl Shoaf was such a man. But what is more, he had that rare ability of simplifying the laws of success and abundance to where even children understood and successfully applied them. Therein is the great value of this recording, and why it can be the turning point in your life. However, your life will not change overnight by just hearing it once. Listen to it twice a day, every morning and evening, as you go about your daily chores, and do what it says. And in 1 month, the most amazing things will begin happening to you and your family. Mr. Shoaf used to say, be naive enough to believe what I say for just 30 days, and you'll be on your way to a new life. That's why so many called him the Millionaire Maker. Recently, a prominent senator remarked, had I owned this record 10 years ago, I'd be in the White House today. In 1962, at the Essex House in New York City, Mr. Shoaf was the key speaker at a large gathering of successful independent distributors from all over the United States. As we listen, he has just been introduced by the Master of Ceremony.